Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix a Messenger nickname bug. So if you have conversations on Snapchat and basically you had nicknames for your friends, but it disappeared or just something went wrong and you cannot get them back, there's a few things you can do to get them, to see them again. So there's sometimes bugs on Messenger, and first thing which you will need to do is just check if there's an update on Messenger. So you will have to go to your app store, and after you go to your app store, you're just gonna search for a Messenger. And as you can see, there's an open button right next to it. So if it would show update, you would need to update Messenger. But if it doesn't show that, another thing you can make sure you can do, and it might help for you to fix nicknames and bugs of Messenger, you just go to your settings of phone's settings, and after that you click on General and iPhone storage, and here you can see all of the apps you are using. So you're just gonna search for Messenger, and what you need to do is actually offload the app. After you do that, this basically will not delete anything but delete some bugs and some issues on Messenger. After that, you need to reinstall the app, and it should work just fine. Everything should be in place, and maybe the nicknames will appear once again. So here are, guys, some things you can try to do, but if it doesn't fix, maybe there are some issues on the platform itself and there's nothing you can do. But if this worked, please comment down below, and if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel, and take care. Bye.